YouTube. Hey, got some new stuff in today. After work, I noticed my email came up. I had a couple items that came in. So what I got is some JDM logos for the Integra. I also have inner and outer tie rods for the Integra. And I noticed once we was doing the CV axle, we had bad inner and outer tie rods. So I decided to get it, fix it, take care of it. I'll probably do it this weekend. Not sure if I can get to it today. The wife wants to do her little logo that's a pearl white one, circle one for the back. I have one on mine that's JDM as well. So just different, throw something different for the TLXs out there because it's brand new. They don't have too much for there. So sometimes you just gotta make your stuff set apart from the others because they don't make it. Not yet, it's brand new cars. So usually when a brand new car comes out, they don't have anything for it. You have to kind of mod and make. I did the same thing with the lip kits. Also thinking of doing a turbo on it, not sure. Also gonna do probably exhaust, but not sure if I want to put any more money into it because I'm waiting for the new ones that come out, which is supposed to be the twin turbo 2020, 21, I think, TLXs. They're gonna have a dual turbo, 400 something horsepower. So definitely is going to be something that I want. This guy here, and the wife actually wants it too. So definitely going to pick them up when they come up. But for now, I can just ride what I got. And then the Integra, like I said, is still in the works. So I'm actually thinking about trading it, unsure yet of what I want to do. Trying to figure out, I don't know yet. A guy offered me a truck. Guy offered me a Volkswagen 1987, which was kind of cool and retro, but nothing that's really pinged yet. Oh yeah, Honda Civic that was sunburst orange with rims lowered. That one kind of interesting. It had a flower roof. The guy was real cool, but he said it's got a ticking noise in the engine, so I'm thinking adjusters or the valve adjust, but that's pretty easy. Just get it and then figure out the specs that is needed, and then you can actually just tune it, and that's all. It's not much at all. So what we about to do is logos on my car, and then Candace is gonna come home, and then I'm gonna take care of her logo on her car. So let's get. Here's the two logos. Open the package, and this. You wouldn't believe it, but I had to wait 2 weeks for these. The shipping said 3 days. I'm not sure why it was 2 weeks, but the guy, I hit him up on eBay, and he was really cool. He did say, hey, look, I'm sorry for the mishap, but oh well, I got them. They're here now, so I'm happy. These are gonna be put on today. I know they say Honda and not Acura because I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to be the same old, and plus these are the JDM ones, which are really cool. And if you're a fan of any type of like Japanese, Euro, they do different, they have different parts in Japan or European, and basically this would be the Japanese one. So I like them. I don't know what you think. Leave a comment, and hopefully they look good on the vehicle. I'm not sure because these two holes, or these two prongs, sorry, and these two prongs, I think this one goes on the back, and then this one goes on the front. Not 100% sure. Hopefully they fit. If not, I have to cut that piece there and that piece, and then just stick it with the 3M because it won't fit right, if it has it and the holes don't match up. So I'm hoping it said it fits. So we'll get to it and see how it does. But let's do it. Just like I thought. It does not fit. So Either way I look at it, they both do not fit. Could do that one or that one, depending on how I want to do it, but yeah. These are have to be cut off. Don't really want to do that, but might have to. Like this one's just a little short. Maybe I can push it and figure it out. Let's see. Put a little bit more holes in there. Make it a little wider, but then this one won't fit right, and that'll be a bummer. Kind of want this one to fit right. See? And yeah, I'll end up making a little hole for that one. So that's what I'm probably about to do. Okay, so I figure I'm gonna drill this thing. I've been debating if I want a new bumper or not, so if it messes up, oh well, I'll get a new one because this one was all messed up before I painted it. Didn't do a lot of prep work on it. I ain't good at prep work. So all of that, but I'm about to try to drill these holes right here. Got a little broken drill bit. I mean, we're gonna see if it works. Hopefully it'll work so I can put the logo on. So let's try it and see. So far it's looking pretty decent. Let's see if that fit. Yep, so that one fits. Now on to the second one. I'll show you what I did. So if you look at it there, made that drill hole right there. So I just gotta make the same one, and then that's it. And then it should work. Let's see. Oh, it's plastic. Let's see. Guess what? It fits on there pretty well. Now I gotta do the tape. And tape. And it should be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. Boom. Take it off. Push it in. Push. Hold it for like 10 seconds. Then it should be good. That take care of that little problem there. Sucks sometimes when stuff don't fit, but sometimes you just gotta make it work. You gotta work what you got. And this right here is working what you got. Made a mess though, I'll tell you that. Hold it for like 2 minutes. Let's see how this works. So maybe a minute. We'll hold it that long. Yeah, all right. Wipe that off, that's good now, that's done. Tell me what you think. What do you think? Looks good. Not sure what it's doing. Ever since cause it dropped it. Alright, so the back, you have the 2 holes there and then a logo there. Well, of course I gotta clean all that off first, but then on the inside, up here, if you can see it, right up in there, you have these clips that you gotta, see it right there? Yep. That clip you gotta use. And then you gotta pinch it together with pliers and then take it out. That's it. So right up in there. It's kind of hard to see. So that's the next project. So, both of them are on. Bam, done. Done with that, looks good, I like it. Let's go to the front, check the front out. Bam, done too, both of them done. Is the wife's car. She want her back logo done. If you take a look at mine, on my TLX, I did mine as well. See, there's mine. So the best way to do some of these logos, especially an Acura logo, is mark it, put where the top is, so when you press on it, you'll get where you need it. I already took it off, already cleaned. Now I just gotta take off these little pieces here, and then once I do that, we should be able to put the new logo there. If you take a look at it, now the wife is hooked up, as you see. Hers matches, so